am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before, and man, I'm not perfect.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet
Cause
next
I don't
to
give
me.
a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience.
As spikes for better grip, especially that is still not into cleats yet. So this is a good one. Also, later on, we will replace that rotor disc. I bought a nice fin cooling cassette 160mm rotor disc. We will install it later there for both front and rear wheels. And lastly, I have spare bottle cages from my TCR. So we'll install one over here so we can start using this over the weekend. So stay tuned for the ride video. Hey guys, so there you go. The bike is partially assembled, so thanks to my son Riley here. So it's size 45. It has 700 by 38 C with gravel tires. It's aluminum. It's actually smooth weld already. If you can look at the frame, it has so many connection points for gravel enthusiasts. It has a 5236 cassette. It's basic Sora components. It also has an STI levers already with the basic Sora. So it's a 9-speed. It's a disc. It's a disc brake run by Tektro Mira brake calipers. And has a Pro Wheel cassette. So if you ask me, it's a nice entry bike, especially for startup like my son. So hopefully likes this. We'll give it a go in a test ride over the weekend. So we'll share more videos. I'm very excited to hit the road with this one together with Riley. And yeah, so see you guys in our next video with Riley. Bye bye. There you have it, guys. The quick unboxing and bike check of Riley's new gravel bike. So it's the Kespor Mclaren Machine 11. So do check it out in your nearest bike shop, and we look forward to our first ride this coming weekend. Riley, bye guys, see ya.